Welcome back to LiveBinders. Today I'll show you how to add a document from your Google Drive to your binder from within the LiveBinder editor. First thing you do is open the binder that you'd like to add the document to, and we're going to make sure we open it in edit mode. You can find edit mode by hovering over the binder and selecting edit. Now I'm going to open a new tab and label it Google Doc. Then I'll go to the plus content button and I'm going to click on the drive icon. Then it's going to ask if you want to log in if you haven't already. Now, just select the file you'd like to upload and it will upload inside your binder. You're going to want to make sure that your share settings are set to anyone with a link if you want it to be viewable in your binder. You can set the doc to restricted, but that will have to be set within your Google settings and not in LiveBinder. And that's how you add a doc from your Google Drive to your binder from within the editor. If you need any additional help, you can go to the Help button, which will link you to our help guide, or check out our tips and tricks section under the announcement tab to learn more about your binder.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.